Coach, congrats on the win. Coach, you had a great start, pero humabol yung Ginebra. What went right for you, especially early in the game?
We wanted to try to catch them off guard. Syempre, it's their first game. They have a new import. They're probably not used to Jake Vivian as he's Scotty Thompson. So we tried to really step on the gas. Obviously, they're Ginebra for a reason. They didn't want to quit. Made a really big scare. In fact, swerte lang kami na nanalo pa kami dito. We pretty much were close to choking this game away. But thank the Lord for the win and we'll take it.
Coach, another big fish in Ginebra. Ano lang masasabi mo so far sa campaign ninyo beating those traditional playoff contenders?
Again, I follow a little bit of luck, siguro, catching some breaks. Because we can't let go of these opportunities. Obviously, they're playing without pretty much their MVPs, Scotty and Brownlee. So it's a different team out there. And there's still so tough to beat. We barely eat them out again, beat out this win. But guys, played us to start signing up. We just had our moments. Our second unit wasn't too great today in both halves. And that's really where we never kept coming back. I didn't give up, so credit to them. But again, we'll take the win. But we're just happy to be wrapping up the wins while we can, and hopefully find a way to sneak into the playoffs.
Coach, congratulations. Coach, first game ni Mamu, yan 6 points, 3 assists, 18 minutes. Assessment of his first game.
That's alright. He made some big baskets for us at the start of the fourth quarter when we needed him to create. Pero syempre wala pa siya sa flow of things sa system namin because he's only been with us 2 days. We haven't done too much to walking. But I expect him to get better. But lots of work pa rin. It's nice to have him out there. He does a lot of things on the floor. Pero he has to get used to how we play and adjust for it. So we manage the expectations.
PG, congratulations. PG, I think ngayon pa lang yata nag 3-0 start with Phoenix.
Yes.
How excited are you na ganito yung start?
Yeah, we've been talking about it, especially yung mga players na andyan na ever since, diba? Especially after Coach Charles na rin. Sabi nga namin even before the game started na let's also give this to him, diba? He's been giving all his trust, diba, sa amin. And yun, sobrang gusto lang talaga namin makabawi kasi we ended the last conference super bad against Ginebra, diba? So, yeah.
Are you gonna make sure na you'll be able to sustain this, especially double round, then talong beses yung kakalabanin yung nasa grupo niyo?
I wouldn't say sure kami, diba? Pero we really try our best to bring this momentum dun sa mga next games pa namin. Kasi again, tomorrow for sure we're gonna train, diba, to prepare for the game on Tuesday. And again, sobrang sarap sa feeling, diba, minsan lang kami nakapag-ganito, never pa talaga yung 3-0. So why not make the most out of it and try to go for 4-0 if kaya.
Coach, you're gonna play rain or shine. Of course, there's strategy, but rain or shine yun. Just your approach for that game, especially nandun din yung Mamuyak angle na is playing his former team.
I'm sure ganado sila to play against Mamu, his former teammates. But you're right, rain or shine is always rain or shine. Doesn't matter what their record is. In fact, mas nalalakot na ako sa kanila na 0-2 sila ngayon kasi they're probably desperate for a win. They may need it. Pero again, we're a young and hungry team. We just play the right way and we give ourselves a chance every game. We have a short turnover time for our game. Medyo bubog kami. Pero no excuses. We'll try our best to be ready for that game.
Yeah, Coach, good evening. Just how gratifying po yung beating Coach Steve for the first time as head coach.
Yeah, obviously I respect Coach Steve so much. I still consider him one of my mentors. He's been a long time friend. Yung sinabi ko last time nandito ako pag my birthday pala ni Mrs. ko ngayon. Happy ko nga siya nung si Coach nung halftime. Sabi niya, baka hindi happy pag natalo sila. Pero we celebrate today and anytime we get a chance for me as a young coach to go up against the great coaches of the PBA, probably the greatest coach PBA history, it's it's nice. It's nice to win. They kicked our butts big time last conference, as Richie said. So at least nakabawi kami kahit paano ng isa, even if elimination pa naman.
Pichi, mga masabi mo nakasama na ulit si Mamo kasi previously nung mga bata pa kayo,
Yeah.
nakalaro mo na.
Masaya for sure. Even nung nalaman ko, kasi minessage ako ni Coach Charles. And dumating din siya dun sa ano namin, diba, sa team namin. Nag-message ako personal kay Mamo and welcome din. And sinabi ko nga sa kanya na let's try our best. Diba, kung ano yung pinakaya natin. If kaya umabot ng finals, diba, aim for the best. So, kung ano man yung yung closest namin, especially ni Tyler and Gian, sabay-sabay kami ng junior NBA before nakasama kami. So, ngayon ko lang sila sa mga Centennials sila. But I'm excited.
Okay. With that, we thank you, Coach Carlo and Engineer Pedro, for your time tonight. Phoenix wins over Manila. Good night.